Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lecture, I am talking the muscles of the gluteal region. But firstly, I am talking about the boundaries of the gluteal region. It's occur between the iliac crest superiorly and fold of the puttock inferiorly. This is gluteal region. The muscles of the gluteal region is classified into two groups. The first group is named gluteus muscle, and the second group, according to their action, named the lateral rotator of the thigh at the hip joint. The first group is contained mainly gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. In addition to this muscle is contained tensor fascia lata. The second group is contained 5 muscles: piriformis, obturator internus, superior and inferior gemmelli, and quadratus femoris. Now I am seeing the muscle of the first group, and firstly I am going to talk about this muscle. This is the gluteus maximus muscle. Its origin from the outer surface of the ilium and posterior surface of the sacrum and coccyx and sacrotuberous ligament. The insertion of this muscle in the iliotibial tract and the gluteal tuberosity. When I am removed this muscle, I am see the second muscle is gluteus medius muscle. Its origin from the outer surface of the ilium and insertion in the greater trochanter of the femur. Now I am remove the second muscle to see this muscle is gluteus minimus muscle. This is the gluteus minimus muscle. Its origin again from the outer surface of the ilium and insertion to the greater trochanter of the femur. In addition to this muscle, I am talking about the tensor fascia lata. This is tensor fascia lata. Its origin from the iliac crest and insertion to the iliotibial tract. Now I am talking about the second group. It's a small group of muscle found deeply, and firstly I am talking about the piriformis muscle. This is piriformis muscle. Its origin from the anterior surface of the sacrum and pass through the greater sciatic foramen and insertion in the greater trochanter. The second muscle, superior gemellus muscle. This is superior gemellus muscle. Its origin from the ischial spine and pass through the lesser sciatic foramen and insertion in the greater trochanter. The third muscle is obturator internus muscle. This is obturator internus muscle. Its origin from the inner surface of the obturator membrane and pass through the lesser sciatic foramen and insertion to the greater trochanter of femur. The fourth muscle is inferior gemellus muscle. Its origin from the ischial tuberosity and pass to the lesser sciatic foramen and insertion to the greater trochanter. And finally, the quadratus muscle. This is a quadratus muscle. Its origin from the ischial tuberosity and insertion to the quadrate tubercle of the femur. Thank you.